Whew, it's been a minute, huh? Guys, I am going to show you how to take off my press-on nails. They look like I got them at the nail salon, but first I want to show you how I take them off and prep them, and then I'm going to show you on my next video how I put on my press nails. What you'll need is a nail buffer and a cuticle trimmer. You'll need a nail file. I'm using a 180 grit, a nail clipper, and some cuticle remover and a small bowl. So first I am going to just trim off the tips of my press-on nails so it's easier to soak inside a bowl later on. And then you want to soak your nails in a bowl with warm water and soap for a good 5 to 10 minutes. It's also depending on how loose your press-on nails are at the moment as well. And next, you want to grab your cuticle trimmer and just carefully lift the edges from your nail beds and then just loosen them up carefully, because I've hurt myself multiple times trying to force it up, but you want to be gentle at this part. So the tips of my nails are still like thin and red from all the times that I had my acrylics on, and it's been only a couple months that I have been doing press-on nails. Then you want to take your nail clippers and then just trim off the top length to however long you want them to be. I like to keep them short. You want to grab your nail buffer and then just buff away the shine and the dead skin, well, dead nail and residue, and just make it completely smooth. And this part actually takes me quite a bit of time. And then grab your nail file and file the tips of your nails to the shape that you desire. And I like to do like a square round for me. This part actually takes also a little bit of time, and I don't know, it's kind of relaxing for me sometimes, so I don't really mind it. Then grab your cuticle remover, and for this one it tells you to put it on your cuticles for about 10 seconds, and then grab your cuticle trimmers and then just carefully just take away the dead cuticles around your nails. So by now my nail still doesn't look as smooth and buffed out, so I'm going to go back in with my nail file and continue to file around the edges until it's completely smooth. And lastly, I'm taking another buffer, and this one's not as rough, so I'm just buffing out the edges again and the nail beds to make it more smooth and just take away all the shine. Okay, it seems as if I am filing once more because it doesn't seem perfect yet. Okay, and here are my natural nails all ready for my press-on nails. So stay tuned for my next video where I show you how I put on my press-on nails that will last 2 to 3 weeks.